Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to play Minecraft. So let's get started. So these are my previous world before I played it. So now we are going to create a new world for today's video. So I choose survival and normal, no starting map, no bonus map. Just our world type is infinite. Okay, let's create without wasting any time. So it's loading. Okay, so welcome to Minecraft world. So basics of this game is first move to a tree and start breaking its wood, and we need 4 to 5 blocks of wool of any color so we can create a bed and sleep at night. Okay, so without a bed we have to stay night. Okay, so I started taking off the wood from this tree. Okay, that's awesome. I think this is the last piece of wood from this tree. Yeah, one more is there, I think. Okay, the last one. Okay, I got that. And last, okay, break the some leaves of this tree so we can get that sapling from this tree. Okay, not there, not yet got it. Oh, where the hell are you, sapling? Come to Papa, sapling. Did it fall down? No, no. Okay, break some more. It will only. Okay, we got the sapling. So this is the sapling, and we got two of them. Okay, okay, so let's go and break some more wood. Okay, we got a llama. So we got sheep over there. One, two. We got only two. So let's start killing. We need wool from this. Oh wait, I need you. Oh, do not fall into that. Okay, that is wool, and this is meat. That is mutton, so that we can get life by eating it. So here is a one cave, I think. So we got coal here. Okay, we need to take that also. First, okay, kill this sheep first for the wool. What the hell was that sound? Okay, first kill this sheep. Where the hell are you running? Okay, we got 2 blocks of wool, and we are going to go and collect that, what we say, coal from here, the which I saw. Okay, now we are collecting coal. It's taking a lot of time without pickaxe. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. I think we have to craft first. Crafting table, where the hell are you? Okay, so crafting, yes. Give me. And now we are going to crafting table. Okay. By placing 4 blocks like this we can get crafting table. I'll take that wood back and crafting table, place it here. Okay, yeah, give me pickaxe. Okay, I'll take stick. Okay, one more, and we will get a sword here, and I'll take 3 of pickaxe. Two are enough, I think. Okay, now I'll break down this because I don't need it. So with pickaxe we can break things faster. Okay, so I'm going to collect that coal. See, it is a way lot faster than using it with hand. So okay, I found a secret cave. Oh my god. Okay, I'll use it later. I wasted one coal, man. God damn it. Okay, I found one more coal over there. I did not see that. Okay, this we can fastly cut. And it is about to be night, I think. Time is going up. We have to make things faster. We have to make ourselves a bed. Oh god damn it. There's a lot of work to do. Okay, for time being I'm collecting only wood, not sapling. Come on. With stone pickaxe we can get more and more faster. Okay. Okay, one more coal was there. Okay, I saw it, yes. There was it. Okay, come on. Okay, we got that also. Okay, some more is there here. Okay, wow. We found a coal mine over here. This is amazing. Okay, here I am taking some more coal. Okay, we found some more here. It is awesome. Okay, I'm mining now to clear all this. Okay. So with this we can, this is cobalt stone, and with this we can build stone pickaxe, stone sword. So I'll take the coal first, then cobalt stone. Okay, take the cobalt stone now. Okay, cobalt stone, that is powerful than wooden. Okay, clear this dirt. Okay, now I think that is enough for our crafting. Okay, I need to kill one more sheep. Okay, give me one more sheep so I can create a bed. Okay, so I'll kill this chicken first. That is hen. Okay, we got feather and some level up. Okay, I think I'll build my house on that tower, top of that. You see that mountain over there? Okay, I think I'm going to go there and build my house. Rather building, I think I'm going to make an underground fortress or something like that. So first we have to go top of it. This is small chicken. Okay, let it grow up and then we'll kill him. Okay, now I'm climbing the mountain. That means I'm trekking. Okay, clear some more. Okay, clear. Okay, like this we can go up now. Okay, we have to survive. That is the main task of this game. So at the night the zombies are more powerful than morning. Morning the sun, due to the sunlight, the zombies die. So that is an advantage for us. Now I am climbing up the tree, that is the mountain, so that I can go. Okay, I am at the top. I think this is okay, perfect place. We'll go make a house underground. Okay, so it is visible from far also. So I'm searching for a village, that is villagers. Where the hell are they? Yeah, I think I found something there. Okay, it's a perfect place to build a home for us. So temporarily, okay, we got a sheep. Okay, no, it's a grey wool sheep, man. We need one more white wool. Okay, okay, now I'm breaking some more wood here so that when we are underground we may not go into crisis of wood. Okay, that's awesome. We are at the right place of building our house. Okay, this one block. Okay, we got that also. Hell. Okay, now move. Hello, Mr. Sheep of Grey Wool. You are going to die. Die. Okay, we got some more grey wool. What is this? Okay, so now I'm going to start my, what we say, that is, yeah, start my underground home. So first I'm going to cover it up with the dirt itself. Okay, where the hell was that dirt? Yeah, I'll keep it into inventory. Oh, not log, we need dirt. Okay, we got dirt, so I'm going to cover it up. Okay, covered. Wait a minute, there is no sunlight at all. There, I cannot see anything. Okay, now I can see anything. Okay, so first we'll clear and then we'll cover up. This is a small room of 8 into 8 blocks, I think. Okay, this is a lot smaller. I'll go for a bigger room for us. So at the night we need to live. I have stick, I have wood. Okay, I have coal so that I can make some lamps now. That is awesome. Right, now we'll craft some lamps. Okay, coal, where the hell was this coal? Okay, okay, we got lamps, 4 are enough, I think. Okay, so that is torch, we got torches. Okay, now I think I'm going to cover up that there. Where was it? Yes, here. Okay, cover this up. Alright, so we have ourselves a room. I'm going to place that there. Okay, we need cobalt stone to make furnace, that is furnace. So I'll break that torch so I can move further this side. So presently I'm mining straight towards, and later I'll go downwards so that we can find some more stone. Presently I'm increasing the room size, that's it. Okay, length is enough but width is a lot, so I'm going to take out that block. Alright, now our home is coming into shape. No. Okay. So okay, I cannot see anything over here, so let us place a torch. Okay, you hear that? That is a skeleton with bow. Okay, so it is going to attack us inside. Okay, so you see this one grass type. So if we clear that block and we are outside, so I'm not going to clear that. This length of room is enough for us now. Okay, so I'm going to cover that. Okay, so that is enough now. So I'm going to craft some more wood planks from here. Take out that plank. Okay, we got a lot of wood planks. That is really good. So now we are going to craft some sticks. Something is near, I can hear it. Okay, no problem. We got ourselves swords and etc. to kill that. Alright, so